I just want to talk about this product. It's the Neewer, whatever you want to call it. I call it Neewer. It's a 6-inch camera suction mount with ball head magic arm. Now, I've been thinking about buying one of these for a while. I finally took the plunge and purchased it. It was on offer. It was at £47.99 at the moment, but you've got, on Amazon at least, there's a 15% off voucher that you can apply for as of doing this video. If it's still available, I don't know. But yeah, check out the video clips that I put on as I play this video. But we needed one of these for doing some car videos, and I've got a magnetic one which is good for GoPros, etc. I wanted something that's going to take a mirrorless camera and something that was just a little bit more sturdy. Now, before I did this video, like I said, I did some tests with it. It's really good, and I also, you know, left it suctioned to a window for like 3 days, and it was still rock solid. With anything like this, you do still need to have some extra protection, like a cable around your thing, your camera, etc. So if it does fall, it just falls to the side of your car, and it doesn't end up 300 yards down the road. But yeah, it's the, like I said, it's the Neewer 6-inch model. They do one in a 3-inch as well. Now, this is the sort that you've got you press this here, and this creates the suction, and when it sort of gets to that line and it doesn't move anymore, that's when you know when you've created enough suction. And it is really, really strong. Now, in the box, if you just look on the top of it here, you do have different mounting capabilities, and this top thing does adjust as well, I will tell you that. But one of the things I do have a complaint with, which, you know, they've got to cut corners somewhere, is the little gadgets you get with it. Let me just get the things out of the box. Right, okay, so you do get a GoPro mount. All good. That's going to come in handy. You get a couple of Allen keys and some different thread adapters if you need them, which are in there. I will just get them out and show you. Yeah, so, you know, these can go in here if you wanted to do different thread designs, or, you know, you've got different things you need to fix onto it. It's giving you the ability to do that. You've got a couple of Allen keys there if you need to do any adjustments or tightening, etc. But the cheapest point of this unit is this little, it's all right for GoPros, I guess. It's this little magic arm that they give with it, which goes in here. Then you can put the GoPro mount on. Now, to be fair, it's for a GoPro, etc. It is a metal design, so it is pretty sturdy, but I just don't like it for DSLRs. So I have gone for a mini small rig magic arm to use with this, which I find you can do, obviously, because it's got this ball joint here, we can do a lot more angles, etc. And it just feels a little bit more sturdy than the one that comes with it. Like I said, don't get me wrong, it is okay. It is metal, it's not like a plastic cheapy one, but again, I wouldn't use it on a DSLR, and I use this one instead. That's just a little point to know if you're going to buy one. That's only my opinion. Like I said, the person who buys it, you might be happy with the way it functions, with the things that come with it. Now, I wanted a phone adapter as well, in case I want to try some phone clips at some point. And you know, these little phone clips that you get, they're just, I just find them, I don't trust them one bit. You know, you can pay £2 or £3 for them, or £1, or like up to a £5, whatever they are. I never trust them. So instead of using them ones, I've decided to go for one of these, which is from Manfrotto. And yeah, this one, your phone sits in. We've got a little clip there. Your phone sits in nicely, even with a cage on, or, you know, your your cover, and then once it's in place and secure, we can lock it there as well, and it ain't going anywhere. I've tried this on the car as well, and it's not going to go anywhere, and it definitely does the job. I'll leave the link to these products below this video, so if you want, you can have a look yourself. But I do recommend buying something if you do a lot of work with your camera, with your phone, and you want something a little bit more sturdy than these sort of things that you get. They just, I don't trust them. Do you know what I mean? They're all right in the house if you're not going to move, but if you're doing something where you're going to be moving around, you definitely want something made by a company that you can trust, which is Manfrotto. And I'll leave the link to that as well. Really good product. Anyway, just a quick review of this suction mount, the 6-inch model from Neewer, whatever you want to call them. It's a definite win. I'll leave the link below. See you in the next video.